welcome back to my channel Code-Travel-Explore-With-Harshal. So one more exciting day today and one more random plan. And here I am at Pingxi Old Street, one of the beautiful places in Taiwan. So let's go around.
Write something after that. Make some wish here and make it right.
You can say
Okay.
write something.
So what do you want to write? I'll come like this. So what do you want to write?
Healthy.
Health.
Yeah.
Wealth.
Yeah. Safety. And
Let's write something funny. Yeah, all we can write.
Make sure the water is.
so both sides. Yeah.
What do you want me to write?
One side. You the other side.
Okay, I'll write.
Make American great again.
No.
Freedom.
So this is 40 before 40. I have to travel 40 countries before I will turn 40.
You gonna do it?
Let's see. I wish for James. James C. Promo. 20?
20
20
times.
times.
20 how much? 2022? 2022. What
Yeah.
else? Should I wish someone?
Become a good dad.
Oh yeah,
For your
man.
baby.
If my wife will see this video, she will say, "Oh, why not first time you written?"
Yeah, James is
Oh.
more important than your family
Oh yeah.
and your baby.
Okay. Healthy baby. Oh.
Oh, you are good at use last pen.
Yeah. Oh, you should have
Alrighty.
recorded this, Mela. I wrote very nice.
Yeah. I wrote it very nice.
Healthy baby. So this is my wish. Yeah.
Good health.
Good.
What else?
How about your wife? Your
After baby is the priority. I will cut this in the video. What else? What else?
3 pillars.
No,
All
no,
health.
no, no.
Operational
I'm
essence.
done with all of my wishes. This is my most important wish. 40 before 40. That's life. And healthy baby too.
yeah.
James Promo too.
This is your top 3.
Yeah. You can if you want.
I don't know.
Mila, do you want to write anything?
I know. I help us to add 2 names here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What name?
Yeah, because
One name.
2 names.
I
Oh.
want to help them to promote level 4. Yeah, this side.
Mela. And Peggy. So we were here, Mela, Peggy, and meet my
Actually-
friend Connor.
Connor.
Connor, you
We'll
don't want
go.
to get promoted?
What?
Promoted? For more wishes.
What?
How about yourself?
You? Yourself?
For me, that is important. 40 before 40 doesn't matter me anything.
You gotta start traveling.
Others are okay. Yeah, as long as I can travel 40 countries before 40.
Where are you
Yeah,
at right now?
Enough.
How many do you have now?
Around 70. Taiwan is the 17th one.
How many years do you have left?
Like it's now I'm 31. I still have 10 years and I still have to travel so much.
Well, go to Asia and walk countries.
Unfortunately, this pandemic, like, was crazy.
The camp's open.
I've been to Japan. Japan already done. US next.
You haven't been to the US?
No, not yet.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay. So all we done. We'll be alive. So let me see the corner one. Good health. Explore Taiwan. Make friends.
All over,
All over the world. Wow, cool, man. So this guy Connor, he knows Donald Trump very well. That's a different question whether Donald Trump knows him. Better life,
or better wife.
better life, better wife. How many wives?
The more the better.
You need to go to
So
India.
that's why I need to go to India.
So guys, this is the lantern. I mean, this is something like cultural thing in Taiwan. Like people do come here at this place called Pingxi Old Street, where like the people do come here to fly this lantern, and you have to write your wish on the lantern. You have seen just now. We wrote the thing, and just fly the lantern and hope your wish will come true. So that's amazing. James want to come India and do the business, so he's writing the wish. Hope it will true. Happy birthday!
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah, right. Tomorrow is my birthday.
Yeah, tomorrow is the Harshal birthday.
Bánh gì nè?
More baby.
More baby.
Yeah, more
Hey
baby.
Vishal, this is for you. Oh, baby, more baby. How many?
How many? Yeah.
Only
No.
two. Just one more, okay?
Maybe 5.
Too much.
Adi à? You? Mela, how about yours?
Looks like Mela is so happy. She don't have any other wish.
She has everything.
She has everything.
Yeah.
Nothing.
So this means bye?
Yeah.
So 80.
Bye bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye. Bye bye means
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Ah, okay, okay. But this looks like okay 18. 8.
Yeah. That's
Birthday to Harshal.
And this guy, and
Yeah.
you will have more
More
baby.
baby.
You have 5 babies.
后面小姐被挡住了，
拍照。
那你来这边好不好？
拍照可以偷
好，这样后来，来，好，灯转人不转，换手，对，来看这里，好，来再转，好，来看这里，好，来再转。他这个相机给他有点慢哦，要不要换一个？
你还故意的。
你欢喜了，我来再转一个。你拄迄台是 iPhone 的哦，较低些啊，放低一点。好来，好来放手放来放，放手一起放哦，一起放，对，一起放。
All wish. Oh, this one is traditional candy.
Yeah, Peggy show you how to try this.
Ah, so whistle.
This is a candy or whistle?
Candy.
But whistle first. Before the sugar is gone.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Let me try. So now we are walking towards the waterfall. अभी हम waterfall की तरफ जा रहे हैं, जो काफ़ी beautiful है. And अभी around we have to walk like 10 or 15 minutes to reach towards the waterfall. 10-15 मिनट का walk है अभी waterfall के लिए. So yeah, it's quite amazing places in Taiwan. And good thing is today not quite rainy, it's a bit sunny, so let's go. We are walking over the beautiful bridge. Wow. These memories. Friends are walking. Stone line. Horse. Ma. Ma. Mama. Who's this god? I mean, finally we are here. Different Fufu.
Yes, different Fufu.
Yeah, the waterfall, one of the beautiful waterfall in Taiwan. Let's enjoy.
Also my first time coming here.
Yeah.